At Raphaelson Levine Law Firm, we are contacted on a regular basis by people involved in motor vehicle crashes. A common question is, what can I do if I've been assigned fault by the police officer or being told I am at fault by the insurance company? The answer is simple. The insurance company and police officer are not the judge nor the jury. They do not have the final say in who is at fault in a crash. At Raphaelson Levine Law Firm, we critically analyze each and every collision. We visit the scene of the crash, we speak to witnesses, and we try to obtain critical information such as surveillance cameras, Nest cameras, even Ring doorbell cameras have proven to give us critical evidence to support what really happened in the crash. A police report is simply what the officer was told by the people involved in the crash. Very often, that does not tell the full story. New York uses a comparative system of fault. What that means is that one driver does not have to be 100% at fault or 100% free from fault to pursue damages for their injuries that they sustained in a car collision. For example, in an intersection collision, each motorist can be assigned a percentage of fault totaling 100%. The motorist who had the stop sign and failed to yield could be 80% at fault, while the driver who was proceeding and possibly speeding could be 20% at fault. Your amount of damages that you are awarded is then reduced by your percentage of fault. So if you were in a crash in New York and you bear some fault for the collision, this does not preclude you from seeking a recovery for your serious injuries. This is called comparative fault. Recently, we were retained by the family of a loved one who was involved in an intersection crash and rendered unconscious. The collision was violent and her vehicle was pushed off the roadway. The police officer clearly did not speak to our client who was unconscious at the scene and transported for emergency medical assistance. The police report contained the statement of the other driver who claimed that our client went through a red light. The police report also contained a witness's name and stated that the witness supported the driver of the other vehicle. Once we were retained, we immediately visited the scene, obtained critical video footage, spoke directly to the witness, and obtained an affidavit supporting what actually happened. The witness was in fact shocked that his statement was attributed to support the other driver. What we realized quickly was there was not an investigation done, and the police officer's findings did not in fact support what actually happened. The other motorist, in an attempt to avoid stopping at a red light, accelerated upon receiving a yellow light, and then entered the intersection against a red signal, broadsiding or T-boning our client, causing serious personal injuries. Absent our detailed and immediate investigation, the truth would have never been obtained. If you've been involved in a crash, contact Raphaelson Levine Law Firm so we can immediately begin investigating your unique situation and dedicating our huge firm resources to get to the truth and get you justice that you deserve.